Hi, this is Reina with WTI.
These ceramic coffee mugs are perfect for your morning coffee or tea, wherever you prefer. I love stackable coffee cups because take a very little room on my counter coffee place and makes my coffee spot look elegant, like this. This was a nice addition to my coffee area. These mugs were better than anticipated. They're nice looking and good quality, a good size, great coffee cups. And they're really nice and smooth, easy to wash and dry. Love the simple design, no heavy, but made it sturdy and holds a good amount of coffee. And what I like about this cup is that keeps the beverage hot, and the large handle provides a firm grip that fits comfortably in your hand. Very good.
But that is my point of view.